first run on the Foley Belsaw sharpener. See if I get it set up right. And I'll let it run through once and see how it goes, and then I'll show you around the machine. Alright, so made one pass through. That pass was, I'll show the tooth line here. It's kind of an old, used as a table saw on the bench. It's got 20 degrees of fleam and 15 degrees of rake. This is the old Foley that I've been working on. It looks like we got all the bugs ironed out. I had to replace this this tension roller right here was gone on the when I got it. So I actually, there's a company that still makes these. It's brand new. And you can see, oh sorry. So you can see down there it's set on 20 degrees of fleam, which is kind of a good setting right in between 15 and 25. So normally 25 degrees of flame, which is the cut on the tooth this way to turn it into a knife edge. The flame's like this on every other tooth, like a chainsaw. So the 20 degrees is like right between 15, which would be a hardwood flame, and 25, which would be a softwood flame, so that it will kind of make this a hybrid saw, so you can use it on the bench for both. See that nice shiny tooth line there. I have to flip it around now and change the angle on it from this direction to the other direction and file the teeth on the other side, make one pass through the other side, and see how it comes out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that off camera because it's kind of fiddly to get it all set up right. I'll do it off camera and do the other side, and then we'll take a look at the tooth line. I'm going to see if I can just pause this. Maybe I can just pause. I never use pause.